Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video it is one of my most requested. It is going to be what is on my Android device. Now this is going to be for February of 2019, and keep in mind guys that my applications don't really change all that much, so I'm only going to be doing one of these around maybe once every 6 months, just to let you guys know what applications I'm using at any one time. And as always guys, the wallpaper that I'm currently using, as you can see here, will be linked in the description down below. Now, I am still currently using the Google Pixel 2 XL at the moment. I'm going to be waiting a little bit in terms of what I want to upgrade to next, as I'm a little bit unsure should I go down the Pixel route, maybe for a OnePlus or maybe something brand new from Huawei, so definitely let me know in the comment sections down below if you guys have got any ideas. Now to start with, we have my main home screen, which doesn't really have anything all that interesting. We've got Twitter, the YouTube Studio application, Instagram, Google Photos. I've also then got Spotify, which is my music player of choice, WhatsApp, and also YouTube. Now you can pause the video at any point to see all of the applications that I've got, but the first one that I want to talk about is backdrops. Now backdrops is one of those go-to wallpaper applications that I have been using for a long time here on the channel and just in general. You've got a ton of different categories to choose from AMOLED, earth, flags, geometric, material design. There is a ton here to choose from that is pretty much going to suit any design that you're using on your device. For me personally, I already use backdrops for those really bright, very vibrant wallpapers, and again it is definitely a wallpaper application that I would definitely recommend. We've then got the BBC iPlayer application to catch up on all those BBC shows, and another app that I really want to show you is the Canon Connect application, which is something that I'm currently using with my Canon M50. And what this allows you to do is use any device like a Pixel, iPhone, or just anything where you can download the application as an external monitor for your camera. Now for me this comes in really handy for those shots where I'm not necessarily anywhere near the camera, but I may want to change things like the exposure, the focus, anything like that I can do with this application, using it basically as a giant touchscreen. Something like this on an iPad Pro would definitely be something that I would use on a regular basis, but for me every now and then when I do want to get one of those shots that's a little bit further away, this is the application that I definitely go to. We've then got a bunch of standard applications like the clock, contacts, Daily Mail for news, Daydream, and let me know if you guys actually still use Daydream in the comments down below. We've also then got some applications for food, Google Drive, Duo, Facebook, which I'm not really using all that much anymore, Google Files, which again isn't really that useful to me lately, and then we have Filmic Pro, which is the application I install on any device that I'm using, whether it's iOS or Android, to get those really awesome cinematic shots. The next noteworthy application definitely has to be Fortnite for mobile, and I'm not sure if you guys have seen, but I've done a whole video on how to use an Xbox controller to play Fortnite on mobile, which I would definitely recommend watching and will be linked in the description down below, and that's kind of the main mobile game that I'm currently playing at the moment, just for the fact that you can use it with a controller. Again, some more stock applications like Gmail, Google Pay, Google Plus, which RIP Google Plus. You've then got the Google Home application, the Jaybird app, which is what I use for my Jaybird wireless headphones, which is really awesome. You can do a different load of sound profiles and things that is something that you don't really get with some other headphones. Another application that I really enjoy using is definitely LD, which is lens distortion. Now if you guys have seen a thumbnail here on the channel recently and you've seen any sort of fake bokeh or some colours in the background that you wouldn't normally think would be there, that has been done with this application. It basically allows you to add different lighting effects to any photo that you've got, and it does have some really nice and also really good looking results that make it look like it came straight from the camera itself. We've also then got some other useful applications like the London Tube application, Google Maps, Messages, O2 and Vodafone for contract purposes, and also MySpace, which again is a really awesome wallpaper client. And then you've also got Papers, which again is one of those wallpaper applications that I am using more and more on a regular basis. And again, it's mainly for the selection and also the quality of the wallpapers. A lot of the wallpapers that you're going to be getting here with this application are going to be in 4K resolution, so if there's something like a Google Pixel 2 or just in general a newer device with a high quality screen, these are definitely going to look really nice. You've also got a load of different categories as well, like abstract, AMOLED, which do look really good with those really dark colours to them as well. And again, it's one of those applications that I just flick through every now and then to see if I do want to mix up my wallpapers, and as you can see here from the ones that I've currently downloaded, I maybe did that a little bit too much. Another application that I've really been getting into recently is definitely Prime Video. I kind of forgot that I had this with my Amazon Prime, but it's a great way to catch up on shows exclusive to that platform like the Grand Tour for example, and there's also a ton of different movies and TV shows included within your Prime membership. And for all those wondering which launcher I'm currently using for any icon pack reviews, that is going to be the Rootless Pixel launcher. It's one of the simplest but also cleanest launchers that you can currently get in the Play Store, and if you find something like Nova Launcher a little bit intimidating with all of the features and functions that it can do, this is definitely a great start into launchers. Going down to the last section of applications, you can see here that I've got the Speed Test app, which is what I use to test any internet, and also Snapseed, which is the application that I use to edit pretty much all of my photos that I really like. Now I use this in conjunction with something like lens distortion, and Snapseed for me offers something a little bit extra that the standard Google Photos editor doesn't actually allow me to do. There are a ton of different options, you can pretty much get any look that you want, and the best part about it is it is completely free of charge, so for you and for me to get some really awesome photos, I would definitely recommend Snapseed. And then after the WhatsApp application, we've got pretty much anything YouTube related. Now I really only use the standard YouTube app and also YouTube Studio. I haven't really dipped into YouTube Music at all. For me, I use Spotify to stream all of my music at the moment. So if YouTube Music is definitely worth it, let me know in the comments down below. And also check the description for anything related to all the apps that I've mentioned. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.